In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on a Vultr VPS server, connect your domain name, and the already installed SSL certificate. Also a $100 free credit to start using Vultr for free. Vultr is one of the best cloud hosting services out there. It offers many web hosting and cloud storage products, and it is available in over 30 different server locations around the world. Also, Vultr offers a pay-as-you-go payment system. You only pay for the services you use, and at the end of each month. Its prices start from as low as $2.50 per month, but this $250 VPS plan has some limitations. I will get into that in another video. For this tutorial, we will install the 1GB memory plan, which is quite enough for new and small websites, and it's quite cheap as well. The first thing you need to do is to create an account if you have not already. To get the $100 free credit, use the affiliate link at the beginning of the description before you sign up. If you already have an account, you are not eligible for this credit. Next, enter your email and a new password and click create account, or click on the sign up button at the top page if you want to sign up using Google or GitHub. Click on this checkbox and then choose the method you prefer. Then proceed with the account creation and verify your email address from your mailbox. For me, I already have an account, so I'll just click on login. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to the billing page, where you should enter a payment method and add a first-time small payment like $10 to activate your account. Vultr offers 3 different payment methods. Pick the one you like. The free 100 credit will appear on the right side of the billing page. Once you make your first payment, you will see right away your credit has been added to your account. To deploy the VPS server, go to the Products tab and then click on Deploy Server. Or hover over the deploy button at the top right corner of the page and click on deploy new server. For the server type, choose cloud compute, shared CPU, which is a dedicated resources server such as RAM and bandwidth on a shared computer. In other words, a cloud VPS server. On the choose location section, choose the data center you want. If you don't know which one you should choose, pick the closest server location to your customers or visitors. The closer data center to your customers, the faster your website's loading time. On the choose image, click on the Marketplace Apps tab and search for WordPress. Then click on it to select it. This will install WordPress alongside your server installation. From the Choose Plan tab, you will determine your server size, resources, and price. There are 4 main plans that Vultr offers. They are the AMD High Performance, the Intel High Performance, the High Frequency, and Regular Cloud Compute. The Regular Cloud Compute offers a slightly cheaper solution, but it is hosted on a regular SSD and not NVMe SSD, the fastest storage disk. From the performance tests we conducted, we found that all of them are pretty decent and you won't see significant differences, especially if your website is small. However, the high frequency servers perform slightly better. Once you have picked the right server plan, scroll down to the additional features. You see the automatic backup is already enabled. This will add a 20% of your plan cost to the final cost. You shouldn't disable it as it guarantees your website safety. If anything goes wrong, you can always revert to a saved backup. But if you want to disable it, you can click on anywhere inside it, click on this checkbox and click on Disable Auto Backup. Next, enter the email address of the admin of your WordPress website and the website title or name. Enter a server host name to recognize your server later. This could be your website name, domain name, or anything else. Double check if everything is correct and click Deploy Now. The server is being installed, give it some time. The server now is partly installed. You can visit your WordPress website by using your IP address. You can either copy the IP address of the server and paste it on a new browser tab, or scroll down to the WordPress details and open the link in a new tab. If the website is not opened, that means your server is not yet fully installed. It just needs more time, like 2 minutes or 3. Here's the WordPress website that we installed. As you can see, the website shows a not secure sign. That is because the SSL certificate needs a domain connected to your website to be installed. Vultr does not offer domain registration service. If you don't have a domain name yet, you need to register a new one from another domain service provider like Namecheap, a decent domain registrar at a low price. I will put a link to it in the description box. To connect your domain name to the website, go to where you host or manage your domain name and then go to the DNS settings. Here you need to add a new A record or edit the existing one if there is one already. The type is A record. In the name field, you can type your domain name or simply enter an @ sign. In the value field, you need to enter the IP address of your server. Go back to the Vultr server, copy the IP address and paste it into the value field. Finally, click Save. Next, go back to your server dashboard. Under WordPress Administration panel, open this link in a new tab to go to your WordPress admin panel. Enter the credentials of your website like so, username, password, and click Login. Go to Settings, General. Copy your domain name and replace the IP address with your domain name in the WordPress address and site address. Next, scroll down and click Save Changes. This should log you out of the website and prompt you with the login window again. If you see this page, this website can't be reached. That means your domain name is not yet fully propagated. It needs some time for the domain name to point to your server. In the meantime, you can use a DNS checker tool to check if the A record appeared with the IP address you added to the DNS settings of your domain name. Now we can access the website with our domain name. If you see the not secure sign, that's because we didn't add the S to the HTTP of the website domain in the admin panel. Let's do it now. Now the website is secure and the browser won't show the not secure sign to visitors again. That's it. Now you can fully modify your website, add themes, plugins, and so on. If you like this short tutorial or you have any issues with the installation, please let me know in the comment section. If this tutorial helped you, please smash the like button.